When you open a website, it looks simple: a page, some text, a button. But behind the scenes, a powerful web application is running. If you enjoy web development content, check out my other videos on Laravel, Django, and CMS development. A web application is software that works directly in your browser. No installation, no downloads, just open a URL and start using it. Apps like email platforms, social media, online banking, and project management tools are all web applications. In the early days of the internet, websites were static. They displayed information, but users couldn't do much. As technology evolved, developers added forms, user accounts, and interactive features. Then JavaScript became more powerful. Websites transformed into dynamic applications. Pages could update instantly, users could interact in real time. Entire software systems could run inside a browser. Today, most web applications are built using three main parts: Frontend, what users see and interact with; Backend, where business logic and processing happen; Database, where information is stored. Together, they create a seamless user experience. Modern web applications also use APIs, cloud services, authentication systems, and AI-powered features. But the goal remains the same: solve a problem. Make it simple, deliver it through the web. If you're learning development, understanding web applications is essential. Because this is where everything comes together: front-end, back-end, databases, user experience. And once you understand how they connect, you're not just writing code. You're building systems that people use every day. If you enjoy web development content, check out my other videos on Laravel, Django, and CMS development. Keep building, keep learning, because every web application you create is another step toward mastering modern software development.